Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our accounting lecturer Dr. Nazira binti Muhammad Said. We from Group 7 will present about our business TG Printer and Stationery. First, let me introduce my group member. Starting with me, Noratika binti Syariman, matric number A21A2741, Syafiqah Nur Imami binti Mat Zalaluddin, matric number A21A3068, Nurul Alia Izzati binti Muhammad Razali, matric number 81A3411, and the last one is Nur Al-Inshirah Balkis binti Hisham, matric number 81A3361. Before we introduce about our business, I will talk about introduction of accounting. Accounting is the systematic and comprehensive recording of a business financial transaction. Accounting is a service activity that is significant because it delivers quantitative financial information to a variety of stakeholders that can be utilized to make economic decisions. Accounting is critical to any firm since accounting records aid in evaluating the company's performance. And the last is accounting record assist in the creation of budget and future estimates, as well as the filing of financial statement with regulators, stock exchange, and tax return. In this school is to introduce students to the preparation and use of financial statement, accounting standard, concept and the theory, and the accounting circle frameworks.
This is our business logo of TG Printer and Stationery that our company chose. Next is company background of TG Printer and Stationery. Our motto is customer satisfaction is our priority, and the objective is we have our own aim to strive in making Malaysia more modern, and we strive hard to be satisfied and one of the best printing suppliers. The mission is strive hard to be one of the best printing suppliers. Our opening day is 16 October 2026 and opening on 9 AM until 6 PM. Our location is at 78 Jalan Mustafa Al-Bakri, Taman Jubilee 30300 Ipoh, Perak. And our email of company is tgprinter009@gmail.com.
Now, let's move to company organizational chart. Our company organizational chart start with Syafiqah Imami as a Chief Executive Officer, Nur Atika binti Syariman as a General Manager, Nur Al-Inshirah Balkis as an Operating Manager, and lastly, we have Marketing Manager is Nurul Alia Izzati. Chief Executive Officer, responsible for all management functions in her company, including planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. CEOs are in charge of overseeing a company's overall operations, delegating and directing agendas, driving profitability, managing company organizational structure, strategy, and communicating with the board are all examples of responsibilities. Okay, now let's move to General Manager. She is in charge of all or part of departments or the company's operations, including revenue generations and cost control. The position's responsibility and importance vary by company and are frequently determined by the organization structure. Operating Manager. The Operations Manager primary responsibility is to implement appropriate processes and practices throughout the organizations. An Operations Manager specific responsibilities include developing strategy, improving performance, acquiring materials and resources, and ensuring compliance. Lastly, we have Marketing Manager. She must concentrate primarily on the practical application and management of a company's marketing operations. As marketing managers, she must have excellent communication and analytical skills in order to be efficient and effective in their roles.
The detail of product. TG Printer and Stationery Company is a printing company that sells printer cartridge, and stationery. TNG Printer also sells printer from a variety of brands that are designed exclusively for higher level students. TG Printer and Stationery also sell printers from a variety of brands that are designed exclusively for higher level students. The things are highly suitable for younger and school students, so this will capture their attention.
I will tell you the details of income statement and balance sheets. Our income statement and balance sheet is provided at the end of 2 months, which is 31st August 2021. Our opening stock is 7,200 Malaysian ringgit. And then our fixed asset is 75,000 Malaysian ringgit. Our current asset is 95,000 Malaysian ringgit. Then our current liabilities is 27,570 Malaysian ringgit. Long-term liabilities is 40,000 Malaysian ringgit. Our capital is 90,000 Malaysian ringgit. Our net sale is 96,780 Malaysian ringgit. And then our closing stock is 29,000 Malaysian ringgit. And lastly, our net profit is 12,430 Malaysian ringgit. Okay, let's move to business performance. Why does TG Printers and Stationery have a higher total loss than a small profit? Firstly, we have lack of skilled workers. Because of the small number of employees, the business moves slowly. Secondly is lack of marketing strategy, the use of unappealing marketing technique. And lastly, we're using the previous method of account creation, recording in writer report that result in the account becoming unstable.
For my part, we will see the suggestion on how to improve it. First, initiative in business. Setting up a Google alert on your industry field is one approach to ensure that you maintain your finger on the pulse. Second is human capital. A savvy entrepreneur understands that assembling a fantastic team is the key to achieve great result. Third is account. It is also incredibly user-friendly and can help you avoid making mistakes. Do not be concerned about security. With the risk of online banking, online transactions have become the standard. Last but not least is marketing. Online video marketing is one technique that is expected to grow its popularity significantly. Okay, to conclusion, the accounting cycle is procedure for more accurate financial accounting of the owner's business activity. Recording financial transaction. Learn how to create a trial balance using ledger. TG Printer and Stationery use the consistency principle, a guideline. And last, the monetary entity precept states that a commercial enterprise entity, proprietors, and other commercial enterprise entities recorded activities. Thank you.